Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to come out with this video. So I received a call from one of my people that knows me, close to my place. So they say this stuff is not working. So I just went there when I reached over there, just said this stuff. We see that this stuff was not working. So let's just open it at the back and see how these terminals seated, so that maybe we can troubleshoot. So this is the cover. Just remove it, just like that. You need a set of screwdrivers. I'm gonna show you how they look like. So with the tester device, so before jumping into switching on the stove again, because I tried it for the first time, everything was not working. Make sure your input code is off, does not have any voltage coming in the system or anything. So go ahead and select our tester to continuity. We are going to test all these banners one by one. So trying to see if whether is it their problem, or the problem coming from the PCB or someone else and the controls. So the first one was right, and this second one is okay. If you can hear the beep sound, it was sounding, and this one is another one. So that one, it's okay. I think it's alright. So going to the big last one, it's okay also. So yeah, so I'm going to head over and open this cover, see how this guy did it, because they say this guy tried. There was another guy who tried to wire this one before with no idea what to do, but without following the diagram. As you can see here, we're gonna use the N1, one at the top, for all switching all the plates. So see what this guy said. This guy did. He messed up, and this one here does not go with this one. So this is the main fault. So if you call someone to do your wiring stuff, guys, make sure that this person is qualified and know what they are going to do. So for this one, I don't go for N3, and for the N2 is when we're using the maybe two plates or single plate. The wiring diagram for that one, N1, is for all your plates if you want to turn all your plates at the same time. So that's the main reason why your stove cannot turn on all the burners. So let's head over and make sure this one is let's head over and make sure that our terminals are well secured, and put in the wiring diagram, follow the diagram. So the neutral and your screwdriver must have all this set for you to work really fine. So if you don't have them, you're going to be in a trouble, because I think these ones are helix type. Some of them can be T1s or flat, but I do prefer these ones because these ones make all your wires to be super tight. So the diagram says we have to put our live cable this side of on the left, on the right side of the last terminal, but I will just put it in the middle because I don't want to those connecting dampers over there, because if you put it on the side, it is going to overwhelm that one which is on the other side to pass the voltage through all the way to the last one. But if you put on the middle, it is going to share and not causing that thing to overheat. So if you found this video interesting, guys, please don't forget to support by subscribing for more content to come. As you can see, I've upgraded my camera stuff. Now the videos are better, so we don't just do videos for just to entertain ourselves, but to help you guys. So let's help each other. Subscribe, go ahead and turn on. So all our blades are on right now, so don't worry about that one. First one in a high. So this is how it works. And the second one, and we go for the third one, we go, and the last one. So all of them are in a good condition right now. So if you found this video, please like, share, subscribe for more content, guys. Your special technique that you can come to my comment section and ask questions. I will share with you my WhatsApp number, so that if you have questions, you want to troubleshoot anything by your own, you just ask for guidance. I'm going to guide you through WhatsApp conversation, videos, send it to each other. So the last thing, if you want to save your stove, do not just turn it off while it is on high. You have to decrease the temperature, gradually decreasing your temperature until it reaches 0. So if you just switch off something that was high powered and high heating, remember there is no cooling fans. It is going to affect our heating elements. So guys, this is my video. Please subscribe, share, and comment. More videos are coming due to your support, guys. Please support. Subscription is free. Subscribe, and all of a sudden you're going to see me posting every day. Let's do it, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching.